Listen, learn, and build your English naturally. Hello, my dear English learners. My name is Alex, and I'm really happy to have you here for another English speaking practice session. Welcome to day 2 of our 10-day Shadowing English Speaking Challenge. First of all, congratulations on finishing day 1. You took that important first step, and sometimes the first step is the most difficult. Today, we're going to keep building your confidence one sentence at a time. Remember, you don't become a confident English speaker by simply waiting. You become confident through practice and speaking. Every day you practice, English starts to feel more natural and familiar. Every sentence you repeat helps your brain and your mouth work together more smoothly. All right, let's get started. Before we begin, let me ask you a few questions. How are you feeling today? I hope you're having a great day. And tell me, what kind of work do you do? Are you a student? Do you work in an office? Are you a teacher, engineer, nurse, business owner, freelancer, or something completely different? I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell me what you do. And don't forget to tell me which country you're watching from. You can even add your country's flag. Our English learning community is growing every day, and it's wonderful to see people from so many different backgrounds learning together. Today's lesson focuses on speaking English at work. Many people learn English because they want better career opportunities. Some people need English for meetings. Some need it for job interviews. Others want to communicate more confidently with international clients and coworkers. And here's the good news. You don't need complicated vocabulary to sound professional. You don't need perfect grammar to communicate your ideas clearly. The most important thing is learning to speak naturally. When you speak naturally, people can understand you more easily. And when you communicate naturally, you also sound more confident. Confidence can make a stronger impression than perfect English. So today, don't worry about being perfect. Instead, concentrate on being clear. Focus on the speaking in a natural way. That's exactly what today's shadowing practice will help you develop. Today, we'll practice 15 useful English sentences for the workplace. Listen carefully to each sentence first. Then say it out loud. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation as closely as possible. Imagine that you're talking to a coworker, your manager, or a customer. Take your time. And if you want to repeat this lesson more than once, that's even better. Every time you practice, your English becomes more natural. All right, my dear learners, let's begin day 2 of our English speaking shadowing practice. I speak naturally and confidently at work. I speak naturally and confidently at work. I speak naturally and confidently at work. Excellent. Every meeting gives me an opportunity to improve my English. Every meeting gives me an opportunity to improve my English. Every meeting gives me an opportunity to improve my English. Great. I share my ideas clearly and professionally. I share my ideas clearly and professionally. I share my ideas clearly and professionally. Wonderful. Let's keep going. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well today. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well today. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well today. Great. Could we talk about this project after the meeting? Could we talk about this project after the meeting? Could we talk about this project after the meeting? Nice. I think that's an excellent idea. Let's try it. I think that's an excellent idea. Let's try it. I think that's an excellent idea. Let's try it. Excellent. I remain calm when I speak with my coworkers. I remain calm when I speak with my coworkers. I remain calm when I speak with my coworkers. Great. I listen carefully before I give my answer. I listen carefully before I give my answer. I listen carefully before I give my answer. Amazing. I speak naturally instead of worrying about being perfect. I speak naturally instead of worrying about being perfect. I speak naturally instead of worrying about being perfect. Awesome. Let's work together and find the right solution. Let's work together and find the right solution. Let's work together and find the right solution. Amazing. Could you please explain that one more time? Could you please explain that one more time? Could you please explain that one more time? Excellent. Every conversation helps me become a stronger communicator. Every conversation helps me become a stronger communicator. Every conversation helps me become a stronger communicator. Great. I feel comfortable speaking English at work. I feel comfortable speaking English at work. I feel comfortable speaking English at work. Awesome. It's always great to work with such a supportive team. It's always great to work with such a supportive team. It's always great to work with such a supportive team. Amazing. I trust myself to communicate clearly and naturally. I trust myself to communicate clearly and naturally. I trust myself to communicate clearly and naturally. Wonderful job today, my dear learners. You've successfully completed day 2 of our 10-day shadowing English speaking challenge. I hope today's lesson showed you that the speaking English at work isn't about using complicated vocabulary. It's about expressing yourself clearly. It's about speaking naturally. And most importantly, it's about having the confidence to use your voice. Come back to today's lesson and practice these sentences again. With every repetition, your pronunciation can become smoother, your rhythm more natural, and your confidence stronger. Before you leave, I'd love to hear from you. What kind of work do you do? Or what career would you love to have in the future? And how often do you use English at work or at a school? Share your answer in the comments below. And if you completed today's practice, write day 2 done in the comments. Thank you for spending these few minutes practicing English with me today. Take care, keep speaking, keep practicing, and most importantly, keep speaking naturally. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3 of our 10-day shadowing English speaking challenge.